Good morning. It is day 3 and I am about to head out to World Central Kitchen, not World Central Kitchen, Operation Blessing. Of course, Billy is already up and at it. Y'all, he woke up at 3:30 this morning. No, he was out the door at 3:30 this morning. When I tell you this man is working hard, he is working like, oh my God. I'm just, if I never loved this man before, I'm telling you my love for him now is like triple the way he's working hard. And it's just so beautiful to see. I am about to, today we're gonna do the closed suitcases that were not unpacked yesterday and head back out into the community to hand those out and also hand out the elderly packages. So day 3.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall of vibe. With red boom, TJ and moon in my bonafide. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. May not care who like me. Me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us.
Hey guys, so we just finished sorting out the baby clothes from newborns all the way up to like 4-year-olds, I believe. And we have mostly girl clothes, so I would love to put in a request for some boy clothes. We actually are in need of little boys clothes. We had some requests for that and we had none, unfortunately. So if you could donate some boys clothes, that would be amazing. And I do want to point out, because we found some of these are like winter jackets, y'all, wool onesies. And this is so cute. I absolutely love it. But we're a tropical island. It's in the Caribbean. We don't wear, you know, heavy clothing. So if you are donating, please be mindful of that and put mostly like light clothing, t-shirts, shorts, cotton. You know, we don't need wool and thick clothes because we don't go below like 70s here, 75 degrees. So think about that. And again, we do need more boys clothes. But thank you so much to everybody who donated. Look at all the stuff that we have here. We're gonna pack them in care packages and then send them out into the communities tomorrow. So thank you so much, and please keep them coming. You can keep the drop-offs going at Restaurant Brico, and when I come back, I'm gonna be sending more donations and I'm gonna be making another trip. So your donations are absolutely appreciated.
Me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough get going. My people don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No, Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A lot of youths in life say them can't take the pressure no more. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But from your trust in the most high life, I go get better, I'm sure. The youth juggle on the roadside, Babylon say fi take up your bag and go.
Okay, it's day 3. I just got here. I'm actually the first person here today. It's 4:30 in the morning because the way my ride worked out, my ride had to pick me up before he picks up the other people. But well, actually, there's got to be somebody here because they got water getting ready to go for rice. Unbelievable, man. Surreal what's happening here. Humbling experience, I'll tell you. So yeah, it's still dark out, and we're just starting to get the barbecue station set up now. So the rice and peas takes long because they got to cook all the peas first. That's a lot longer than white rice. So today's going to be a challenge, and we're doing another, like, I don't know, 20,000 meals. I don't know. I think we're up to maybe 40 something, 50,000 meals total. That's sandwiches and everything. But yeah, wild operation, off to an early start. So this is the rice and peas, right? Huge batch. I just scooped out all the peas. So half of the peas I scooped out, and then now they're gonna start adding more water and adding the rice. So, yeah. So they got some garlic, maybe some ginger, some thyme. Coconut milk yet? No?
Yeah.
Coconut milk? Yeah. This is gonna be flavorful, beautiful. So check it out, they're setting up 4 more of these coming today from Spain, at $25,000 a piece. But yeah. There we go. Gonna be cooking even more. Okay, this is the first batch of rice and peas. There's the second batch, looks good. So like I said, the rice and peas takes a little bit longer, so I gotta get started. There we go. This is the chef, he's working unbelievably. We got a couple more hours to go, maybe. I've been grilling out here. I've been here since 3:40, 4 o'clock I got here. The guy picked me up at 3:40. And I've been grilling for like 8-9 hours nonstop. I haven't even took a break. I went tea once. Like, it's mind-boggling. Today the wind was horrible. The smoke was unbelievable. Like I'm in the sun, corner. But yeah, dude, it's been just unbelievable. Like, check out the grill. Like, we're still going. 3 grills to go. Been absolutely tortured today. I can't even think. I can't even function.
If I ever forget to hold your hand, no, we can feel like forever we've been struggling. Jah love